During the 1970s, finding the world's strongest man did not require a trip to Mount Olympus or some other mythological setting. He came from Fredonia in western New York. He was nationally and internationally renowned powerlifter Donald Reinhart. At Fredonia High School in the early 60s, Reinhart starred in football, basketball, and track. While playing football at Parsons College in Iowa, Reinhart became a serious student of weightlifting. Following his college years, he pursued powerlifting and throughout the 70s worked his way to national and international recognition. He held both the national and world powerlifting championships from 1973 to 1976 and was officially recognized as the world's strongest man from 1973 to 1980. During that span, Reinhart set 51 world records, 2 of which remain to this day. He successfully completed a 520-pound teeth lift and a 2,550-pound car lift, both setting world's records. His accomplishments have been highlighted in numerous publications, including the Guinness Book of World Records. A member of the Powerlifting Hall of Fame, the USA National Hall of Fame for Powerlifting, and the Chautauqua County Sports Hall of Fame, Reinhart adds to his impressive resume with tonight's induction into the Greater Buffalo Sports Hall of Fame.